Lights on, lights off. Impulse basically means it is not done by heat, it's controlled by time. As soon as you switch the machine on, you can start straight away heat sealing. There is a seal timer up the top. Generally for a cook chill bag, you can keep that around that 3 mark. If the micron level, like a stand-up pouch, is quite high, I will be pushing it up around the 4.5 mark. Depending on the thickness, the micron level of your bag. You do have this little holding plate for your food, so that can be adjusted up and down. The little butterfly screws at the back. Very simple to use. Down the bottom, you've got your little foot pedestal. So all you do, just make sure there's no liquid, anything contaminating your seal on the bag. Make sure your bag is nice and clean. And just make sure it's flat. You can push that in, but when I push down, a little stamp will come on, shine red, it will go off, it means it's done. And it is very, very quick. So seal down, off, sealed. Just like that, easy. You can see that the seal is very strong. I can't rip that open at all at the seam now, so yeah. Very good. Switch off.